Anaya. Hi Ahmed. Today, we're going to learn about 10 amazing farm animals and how they help us every day. First up is the cow. Cows give us milk, which we use to make all sorts of tasty things like cheese, butter, and yogurt. They love to eat grass and hay. Next, we have chickens. Chickens lay eggs that we can cook and enjoy. They eat seeds, grains, and sometimes insects. Here's a sheep. Sheep are really special because they give us wool, which is used to make warm clothes like sweaters. They also enjoy munching on grass. Meet the goat. Goats are super helpful because they give us milk too. They love eating leaves, shrubs, and grass, and they're always curious. This is a horse. Horses are strong and can help farmers by pulling carts and plows. They eat grass, hay, and grains. Plus, they're really fast runners. Here's a duck. Ducks lay eggs just like chickens, and they also love swimming in ponds. They eat seeds, small fish, and insects. Next is the donkey. Donkeys are great at carrying heavy loads and helping farmers transport goods. They eat grass, hay, and grains. This is a turkey. Turkeys are known for their big, beautiful feathers, and they lay eggs too. They eat seeds, grains, and berries. Here's a rabbit. Some farms raise rabbits for their soft fur and sometimes for meat. Rabbits love eating vegetables, hay, and grass. And finally, the bee. Bees are tiny but mighty. They help pollinate flowers and crops, and they give us delicious honey. They love sipping nectar from flowers. Each of these farm animals has a special job that helps us in different ways, whether it's providing food, clothing, or helping with farming tasks. And it's important that we take good care of them and our planet. Thanks for learning with me today. Now you know all about these 10 incredible farm animals and how much they contribute to our lives.